Today we're going to be looking at the top performing trading strategies for this month here on TradingView. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. Hey traders, I hope you're all going extremely well. My name's David and welcome back to my channel where I go through profitable trading strategies. Today I thought we'd go through the previous month best performing trading strategies to see what strategies actually performed extremely well on markets on live trading. So I had quite a big job of going through all of the strategies now that there's over 500 setups in the spreadsheet, which you'll be able to find down in the link description below. So I tried to find the best performing strategies and put them into categories. Now the categories being the trading strategy, there'll be about 2 to 3 setups per trading strategy. So obviously there's going to be quite a lot of things to go through. So I think the best idea is to get straight over to my computer and let's have a look at these trading strategies. But before we go guys, if you do enjoy these videos, if you don't mind giving the video a good old thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I do videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday about profitable trading strategies. Right, let's go. Okay, here we are on David Tech. So I'm going to go through each trading strategy. I'll try to explain very briefly what the trading strategy is and the indicators that are in it. Won't go over to TradingView, but I will link all of the trading strategies down in the description down below. So the first one is the dead zone. The dead zone uses the Wada Utter. You can also go to free indicators up here and you'll be able to find a list of all the indicators. Now the Wada Utter was an indicator made by Lazy Bear. It's one of my favorite and this has been one of the most profitable long-term strategies that I've actually backtested. We've had it for over a year and we're continually finding great setups with the dead zone. The baseline is the T3, so the moving average T3, and we're using the Wada Utter dead zone and explosion lines to take our entries. As you can see, this one is on BTC USDT on the 30-minute time frame. If we look at the equity curve on the backtesting results, it looks pretty good, except for it kind of fell off over here. But when we go over and look at the forward testing results, so the live trading, we can see that 215 trades were closed on the back testing results. We're now at 255 closed trades. So this would have been the downwards move, and since it has actually made a much higher high. So doing extremely well. This has been back tested all the way back from December last year. So December gave us 11%, January 13%, February was an amazing month of 49%. March took away some of that profit and is at minus 13%. April gave us 33%, May minus 7%, June 7%, July 5% currently. As you can see, this is the live trading equity curve. It's going absolutely amazing. What a great strategy, guys. It works on lots of time frames and lots of coin pairs. And here's another one on XRP, which is a coin that I'd love to make some money out of. I spot bought a lot of XRP and it hasn't moved in the slightest. Yeah, great coin to be storing, better than USDT. It doesn't move at all. Right, okay, enough of that. If we go over here, as you can see, we have 229 closed trades on the back testing. If I pull this across, we have 267 trades closed. So roughly around here, as you can see, we have moved up from here. If the equity curve is continually going up throughout, looking very stable. This has been back from February. Each month has been green except for June. And this is the equity curve on XRP, looking absolutely amazing. So as I said, this strategy uses the Wada Utter indicator, very, very powerful, a really, really powerful indicator, which I absolutely love. Right, next strategy on the list is the McGinley trading strategy, which is a long time favorite of mine as well. Took a long time to grow on me, but I do absolutely love this trading strategy now. Uses the McGinley moving average for its entries. It's an extremely simple trading strategy, but very, very effective. Like I said earlier, all the links are down in the description to all of these strategies. Here is how it is performing on near USDT on the 30-minute time frame. This one was optimized by our wonderful member Marco. As you can see here, the equity curve on backtest had 290 trades. So 290 would have been roughly there, would have been a big dip period, and then since it has made a higher high on the equity curve, looking absolutely amazing. This was sent to us all the way back in January. This would have been the dump of 25%, and each month since, except for May, has been making gains. Boys, look at these green months, absolutely amazing. On Link USDT on the 45-minute, we have another optimization from Marco himself. As you can see, the current trading results charts look like this. The equity curve looks like this on live trading. We're currently on a 58% win rate on live trading, which is slightly slower than the backtesting results, but looking absolutely brilliant. We have 184 closed trades on backtesting. Live trading, there's 200. So we're currently around here. As you can see, the equity curve on live trading is still pushing its way up, looking absolutely amazing. On Rune USDT, we have another one from Marco. Marco, like myself, absolutely loves this trading strategy. McGinley, Rune USDT, we would have had 527 closed trades on backtesting, and on live trading we're up to 665. So 520 would have been roughly here on the line just here. As you can see from here, the equity curve from around here has absolutely pumped all the way from the incubation period. This was sent to us in January. February and May were red months, but every other month has given us double figures except for July, which we're currently only 9 days in. Absolutely amazing. Look at that equity curve, looking absolutely wonderful. This is live trading, and yeah, looking great. So that is McGinley. The McGinley, although a lot newer than the dead zone, has been a rock to the community. Great trading strategy. I suggest you go and look at the settings for this strategy down below. Okay, the next strategy we're going to be looking at is, boom, the Super FVMA with zero lag. Now this strategy is very, very simple as well. It uses super trends and the FVMA for trend direction. So we're looking for price to be above the Fairtail moving average, which is a moving average indicator. We also would like the super trend to be green to take our entries. We then add the zero lag MACD to our chart to confirm our entries. The zero lag MACD looks very much like the MACD itself. Just as a third line on there, we're going to take notice of the third line called the zero lag. When that white line is above the zero line, we're going to take longs. When it's below, we're going to take shorts. So let's have a look at some of these backtesting results. So there's Super FVMA with zero lag on BTC USDT on 1 hour time frame. This was optimized by Bravo, is absolutely killing it as well. As you can see, this was sent to us back in January, and every month since the beginning has been in the green. January 7%, February 17%, and I'll let you read the other ones. They're all looking absolutely amazing. The current win rate on live trading is 67%. If we go back here, it would have been at 61% on backtesting, and we would have had 387 closed trades. We now have 433, so it would have been somewhere around here, and as you can see, the equity curve has absolutely pumped since. This is what the equity curve is looking like, creating new higher highs, which is absolutely brilliant. We also have a Ethereum on the 1 hour time frame as well, sent to us back in April. Each month has been green for this strategy as well on Ethereum. We have made a total of 21 new trades on the forward testing period, so the live trading period. So it would have been around this area here, and as you can see, the equity curve is still pumping in the right direction. This is what the live trading looks like, creating new highs, which is absolutely brilliant. On Doge USDT on the 30-minute time frame, I spent days on end looking for a strategy on Doge and never had any luck. Thanks to this guy here, why not 90? We have a trading strategy that is very profitable, sent to us all the way back in May. We have June and July, which are still in the green, looking great. In the past 90 days, we would have made 70% on this trading strategy. The equity curve looks like this. We're going to leave it a little bit longer to see how it performs in incubation, but certainly looks pretty good. We have another setup on Ethereum sent to us by Henrix. Look at this equity curve, looking amazing as well. 73% win rate, 116 trades on backtesting, currently at 135 closed trades. So it would have been around this area here when we would have received the actual trading strategy, and the equity curve has continually grown ever since. Sent to us in February, March, April, May, June and July are all in the green, looking absolutely amazing. The equity curve looks like this, creating newer higher highs, which is absolutely perfect. So as you can see, those three trading strategies alone look absolutely amazing. Our fourth trading strategy is going to be, boom, you guessed it, the TradingView. I have a couple of setups on TradingView and they're looking absolutely amazing as well. TradingView Rune 1 hour time frame sent to us by Solid Duro. We have a equity curve that looks like this on back testing. It looks a little bit flat at the end, but it pushes through, and look at what it looks like now. We have an extra 39 trades, or no, 49 trades here. Look at that. We would have been at 230 roughly at this part of the equity curve here, and it has absolutely pushed up and created new highs. In January, this was sent to us in February. March was looking absolutely awful. Probably most people would have given up on it there. We've left it to incubate. April looked amazing. May looked amazing. June looked amazing. July looked just as good. Look at this equity curve making newer higher highs. Absolutely brilliant. Next one, Rune USDT, sent to us by the absolutely amazing Shibuku, who's doing a fantastic job of optimizing strategies for us. Sent to us by the absolutely amazing Shibuku, who's doing an absolutely wonderful job of optimizing strategies for the community. Thank you so much for all of the work you're doing, guys. This is on a multiple take profit situation, so not for everybody maybe. It has 303 closed trades. In forward testing, we are 359. So around this area here, as you can see, creating new highs, which is great. Sent to us back in February. February was in red. March, April, May, June and July are all in the green, looking absolutely amazing. Let's move on to the final TradingView setup. Now TradingView on the 2 hour on the SCU coin, sent to us also by Shibuku. This one is on a low cap coin. We have 140 closed trades on backtesting, and on live trading 157. So it would have been about here. As you can see, we're currently making new highs all the time. These are the equity curve table, as you can see, sent to us back in March. March was red, April was green, May was in the red, June and July are looking pretty good too. The TradingView indicator uses the T3 for trend direction and uses the TradingView indicator, which has become quickly the favorite indicator of my community, David Tech. It is an absolutely amazing indicator, coupled with a couple of other indicators, notably the elephant candle indicator for taking our entries. Both of them together have created a reliable and strong and profitable trading strategy. Okay, and for the final set of indicators, I decided to build a miscellaneous indicators section where we've got 3 setups. These 3 setups all work with the T3, but are not the same strategy. But I like them and they are profitable, so I thought I'll put them all together, and yeah, who's judging, eh? Let's go. Right. And the first one is Precision Trend. It's on AVAX on 1 hour time frame. I like this one because the equity curve was looking pretty good, and it was sent to us in February. When you look at 386 trades, closed trades on backtesting, we're now currently at 450 trades. That's 65 closed trades since we started this trading strategy. So we would have been sitting around here when we started live trading this. The equity curve has pumped and created new higher highs all the time, which is absolutely brilliant. Since February, March, April, May has been in red. June and July have both been in green, which is absolutely brilliant. Currently, it's sitting at a 43% win rate, and we had in past 90 days at 13%, which might seem quite small in comparison to other ones, but is absolutely not in the slightest. It is absolutely amazing. Look at the equity curve. It looks absolutely brilliant, creating new highs, which is exactly what we want to see. This one here was sent to us by Shibuku. It's Trigger Happy 2 and has become a very popular trading strategy in our community. This one is on RNDR on USDT on the 45-minute time frame, sent to us in May. This strategy's had 42 trades since we've received it. As you can see, the back testing stopped around this period here. As you can see, it is still extremely very profitable since. May was a green month, June was a green month, and July so far is a green month. I'm going to leave this one to forward test a bit longer to see how it continues, but it certainly is looking very good. And our final strategy is MNT USDT on the 30-minute time frame, optimized by Zigzag. This T3 Nexus strategy is looking absolutely amazing. When you look at the equity curve, it is pumping through and creating new highs. On backtesting, there was 183 closed trades. We're currently at 196, so that would have been roughly around this area, and we're continuing in the trend of creating new highs. This is still very, very new, as we only received this one in June. June was green, July is green, but it still is looking pretty good as a start. The equity curve looks great. I'm going to leave this one in incubation to see how it continues. This one here was sent to us by Shibuku. I just wanted to show you how this strategy is absolutely annihilating the shorts. Look at these shorts recently that it's taking. Absolutely amazing. Congratulations congratulations to you, Shibaku, for this setup. Absolutely brilliant. Thank you very much for submitting it to the David Tech members and helping us to optimize and find these best settings. Quickly, before I go, just look at the most recent data. Look, each and every month is green, looking absolutely amazing. Okay, guys, I hope you found that useful, those insights into the trading strategy and how they've performed on recent price action. I hope to do this every single month. I do think that it is great to go back and have a look at some of these strategies. Before I leave you guys, I have one last thing to do, and that's to give away 1 million bonk to a random comment from my most recent video. Don't forget, guys, that I give away 1 million bonk to a random comment in every single video. So comment away with your favorite indicator or anything that comes to your mind, any questions or anything like that. Right, let's give away 1 million bonk. Okay, I'm going to be giving away 1 million bonk to a random comment from this video here. There were 28 comments, so you do have a big chance of winning. Let's go. Guys, once a week I'm going to be giving away $500 to the most viewed clip of this video or any video of David Tech from this week. Whoever has the most viewed TikTok or YouTube short using this video or the videos from this week, I will send you $500. This is every week and going to be going on throughout the whole of this month and probably for the foreseeable future. You can post as many times as you want. You must tag my TikTok or YouTube username, and you must add David Tech in the title and in the description. I look forward to seeing all your clips and I look forward to seeing the winners. Let's go. Boom! Congratulations to you. You've just won 1 million bonk. Don't forget, guys, to comment away. You never know, you could be the next winner. And without further ado, I'm going to wish you a wonderful end of the week. I look forward to seeing you on Friday. Take care, keep safe, trade like a boss, and I'll see you on Friday. Goodbye.
Come on, David. Once again, he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. RSI and MACD.